6 p.m., the office is quieting down. Lights are dimming, but for the many women, the fear is just beginning. Is it really just about working late? Or is it about feeling safe while doing so? If you or someone you know has ever felt unsafe after 5 p.m. at work, this video is for you. We are diving deep into what the law says, what real women are facing, and what must change. Let's talk about it. We often talk about women's empowerment, but rarely do we address what it feels like to be the last one walking out of an office. The tension, the glances, the long walk to the parking lot. A 2023 study by the Indian Journal of Criminology revealed that over 60% of the working women in Tier 1 cities felt unsafe while commuting after 6 p.m. But here's the catch. Employers aren't legally bound to provide safety post working hours unless it's a night shift. What about those grey areas? 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Let's break down what Indian law currently says. Section 19 of the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act of 2013. Employers must ensure a safe working environment. But the law stops short of defining what's safe really means after hours. The Factories Act of 1948, Section 66, restricts women from working night shifts unless proper safety is ensured. But again, night shift here means after 10 p.m. So, what about marketing executives leaving at 7 p.m.? Or a journalist working unpredictable hours? One landmark case to note is Vishaka and others versus State of Rajasthan in 1997. This case laid the foundation of workplace safety rules in India. But even then, it focused on internal complaints, not proactive protection. So, while our laws have made reporting harassment easier, they haven't done enough to prevent it after office hours. Gender neutrality versus ground reality. Now, here's where the debate deepens. Modern legal reforms are pushing for gender neutral laws, and that's important. Everyone deserves protection. But let's not confuse equality with equity. Treating everyone equally doesn't help when women face disproportionate risks, especially after hours. Take the Tejendra Kaur versus Union of India 2016 case, where a woman railway employee was assaulted on duty during late hours. The court emphasized the need for gender sensitive protection based on real world risks. So, yes, laws can be neutral on paper, but implementation? That requires acknowledging live experiences. The employer's role and what you can do. Safety is not just about law's job. Employers must take responsibility like mandatory cab drop facilities, buddy systems for late workers, real-time check-in apps, security protocols in office premises. You as an employee also have rights. Demand an internal complaints committee under the POSH Act. Raise issues through HR without fear. Keep digital records of any inappropriate behavior or unsafe incidents. And if you're an employer watching this, would you like your daughter walk that path alone at 7 p.m.? Then don't let someone else's. It's not just about laws, it's about culture. It's about listening when someone says, I don't feel safe. Because safety doesn't begin with pepper spray. It begins with respect, responsibility, and real reforms. We must shift from silence to support, from sympathy to systems that protect. So, the next time someone says, why don't you just leave early? Ask instead, what can we do to make it safe for her to stay? Let's continue this conversation. Comment below. Have you or someone you know felt unsafe while working late? What changes would you want to see in your workplace? If you found this video valuable, check out our full playlist on workplace laws and women's rights in India. The links are provided in the description. Don't forget to like, share and hit that subscribe button. Because knowledge isn't just power, it's protection. And together we can make workplace safe for everyone. Take care. Bye.